In this video, I'll show you how to sound like Kratos using ElevenLabs. Well, let's see if ElevenLabs does a better job than me at doing Kratos. So you can just come here to voices, click on the plus icon. We're going to be cloning his voice because I have seen a lot of motivational videos, just a lot of videos in general on YouTube using this voice. And it really generates a really good human-like voice on ElevenLabs compared to the other options. Now come here, once you click on the plus icon, click on Instant Voice Clone. It will take less than 2 minutes. Okay, all you need is an audio clip. You can easily find these on YouTube, on Google, right? Just download an MP3 and then you just go ahead and drag and drop the audio file right here. Just need at least 10 seconds of audio. Make sure this one is toggled on to remove background noise. And the more audio files you have, the better the recording will be. So this one, okay, is covering most of it, so that's fine. It'll do really good of a job. Next, go ahead and click here on the next icon. And after this, we're going to have to put in the name, description, and the language. All right, so there we go. There we have the name, description, set the language value to English, toggle this one on, and then go ahead and click on Save Voice. And now, guys, in just a moment, we're going to see if actually ElevenLabs does a better job at me, well, better than me at sounding like Kratos. So just go ahead and click on Generate Speech. There we go. This is the text we're going to work with. Make sure the model you select is Multilingual V2. This is the best model by far. Speed, leave it at 1. Stability, keep it at 50%. You can increase it, okay, if you're working with more characters. So, longer text. Maybe you're doing a whole motivational video that's a lot of minutes. You can increase the stability. Similarity, leave it at 75%. You can exaggerate the style even more if you like. But voices with lower tones, you don't really need to exaggerate style. So you can just leave this as it is. Then go ahead and click on Generate Speech, and let's see how it does. Right. By the way, guys, the link will be in the description for
ElevenLabs. I am Kratos. I do not repeat myself. If this voice fails to echo power and rage, then your creation is weak. Make it worthy, or face the consequences.
Wow, that sounds really, really realistic and sounds a lot human. So guys, check it out. The link is in the description. Go create with ElevenLabs.